All right, now we are on to the next section of the Google Sheets assignment. Let's read right here where it has the number 1 for our first step in this section. It says double click on each of the cells with the math expressions above in column A. So over here we have column A, and we need to double click in this cell with this math equation. So we are going to move our cursor to the very beginning of the math expression. And what we're going to do is we are going to click on the equal button on our keyboard. Something changes a little bit. You see those numbers turn to blue, and then you hit enter. And what do you notice? The computer or the spreadsheet did the math for us. So now we're going to move on. I want you to not just watch this video, but I want you to be following along doing these things as I go along. Next, we're going to double click, move our cursor to the beginning of number 5, hit the equal sign, the numbers turn blue again, hit enter on your keyboard, and it's almost like magic. It did the math for us. Keep going, following along, hit equals, hit enter, and the last one, move your cursor to the beginning, hit equals, hit enter. All right, so now we have taken care of 1 and 2. Now we have to figure out step 3. In column C, which is right here, there are numbers in cells C33 to cell 39. So in cell 40, you need to add the function to be able to sum up, which is to add all of those numbers together. How do we do this? You click on the first one, and then we're not using the fill handle. No, we're not doing that. We're clicking on the first one and highlighting all the way down. Okay, we're highlighting from C33 to C39. All these are highlighted. The green one is not included. Do not include the green cell in this highlight. Then you're going to come to the top of your screen, and you're going to find the button that matches this symbol. This is a sum symbol. Okay, and then you're going to click on the word sum. Okay, you're going to get this formula that now appears in the green cell. You're going to see this formula. Do not edit the formula. You simply hit enter. Now what you'll see is that the spreadsheet automatically added up all of these numbers for you, so you did not have to type in like you would on a calculator and hit 24 plus 36 plus 100, etc. The spreadsheet is smart, and it is able to do the math for you. All right, that is the end for this section. Keep your eyes out or locate the next video to help you with the next section.